Shenzhen Primo Showmax Display Design Company Limited is a professional one-stop solution provider with 18 years of expertise in the commercial display industry. Operating from our production base in Huizhou, we leverage cutting-edge creative design as our driving force and scalable in-house production as our foundation, establishing an integrated full-chain service model that encompasses front-end design, factory production, logistics and transportation, and after-sales support. This ensures efficient and seamless experiences for our clients. From conceptualization to final implementation, core strengths and foundations, full-chain integrated services, we completely break down the barriers between design, manufacturing, and implementation. Through highly efficient internal collaboration, we maintain precise control over every stage, from creative concepts and detailed construction drawings to product manufacturing, logistics, distribution, and after-sales maintenance, significantly enhancing efficiency while guaranteeing perfect alignment between project quality and design intent. Strong in-house manufacturing capability. The solid foundation of our company lies in our 30,000 square meter modern production base located in Huizhou, Guangdong, equipped with advanced machinery and staffed by a professional engineering team. This facility provides robust assurance for our superior quality control, high production capacity, and efficient delivery capabilities. Proven international project experience. Our products and services not only cover the domestic market, but have also been successfully exported to key global markets, including quality-demanding regions like the United States, Europe, and Australia, as well as the dynamic high-end commercial markets of the Middle East. This has allowed us to accumulate extensive experience in managing international projects. Welcome to visit our company and discuss cooperation.